The brutal rise of El Mencho. With the death of the biggest criminal of the entire world, El Chapo, there happens to be this other person who has earned the reputation among the authorities as principal enemy of the state and as a dangerous criminal. But who exactly is this person? What is his purpose? Why is he being compared to El Chapo? Continue watching the video till the end to know more. Hey everyone, and welcome back to yet another video from our channel. We hope you guys are doing extremely well. In this video, we will be talking about the brutal rise of El Mencho. We will be diving deep into every aspect of the situation. So if you are new to this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. The DEA is reported to have touted a $10 million reward for information leading to El Mencho's arrest. However, so far, authorities have come up empty. The CJNG has only existed for about a decade now, but it was reported to rise to power much more quickly than the rival Sinaloa cartel. Its influence now stretches across 6 continents and 28 of Mexico's 32 states. Major cities of the United States, including Los Angeles, Chicago, Houston, Atlanta, and New York, are all affected by the CJNG's drugs, claimed the DEA officials. El Mencho has been indicted in the US federal court on charges of drug trafficking, corruption, and murder. But following his trail has been quite difficult. At one point, the DEA believed he might be hiding in the mountains, but it has been challenging to pin him down. In many ways, he's been a ghost, one source claimed. The cartel leader, who was born in the tiny Mexican town of Naranjo de Chile back in 1966 and lived for some time in California, he was arrested in the United States back in the 1980s for selling drugs. He eventually made his way back to Guadalajara and began working for the Mileno cartel, a subsidiary of the Sinaloa cartel. He rose through the ranks before splintering off into his group around 2010. The resulting group, the CJNG, would quickly unleash a new wave of violence on its rivals. After 2016, when El Chapo was captured, the bloodshed intensified. El Mencho's shadowy history doesn't reveal much except perhaps why it's been so hard to find him. El Mencho seems to be a lot more disciplined than Chapo was, Bodner said. El Chapo liked to live the flashy lifestyle. The cars, women, nice restaurants, alcohol. El Mencho is content to stay away from that stuff. To work out, to eat right, to stay off the radar. One of his few known vices has revealed his love of cockfighting, which has earned him another nickname, the Lord of the Roosters. Sometimes the decapitated bodies are hanging from bridges. Other times the mutilated torsos are just discarded on the street. Often the carnage comes with a calling card, CJNG, in scrawled lettering. The cartel Jalisco Nueva Generación likes to send a message. To those who have been tracking the resurgence of the Mexican drug war in the last few years, the cartel's rise is particularly troubling and it is as brazen as it is ruthless. The Drug Enforcement Administration now believes the CJNG is responsible for the tons of meth and fentanyl flowing into the United States each month. CJNG is our #1 priority right now, said Bill Bodner, the special agent in charge of the DEA's Los Angeles Field Division, who oversees a group of agents specifically tasked with tracking down the cartel's leader. Still, that man, Nemesio Ruben Oseguera Cervantes, known as El Mencho, has successfully eluded US federal authorities so far. Multiple American and Mexican law enforcement officials claimed that the CJNG's head has filled the void after the 2016 capture of the notorious El Chapo Guzman, who led the rival Sinaloa cartel. The CJNG has swooped in, these sources say, and it's now considered the deadliest cartel in Mexico. The Zetas were very feared, but they met their match. Do you think that the Drug Enforcement Administration will be able to catch the criminal anytime soon? Did we miss out on anything? Did you enjoy watching the video? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. We would love to hear your thoughts on this while we keep working on making more such videos. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Please like the video if you have not already, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. With that being said, let's meet in another one of these videos. Until then, see ya.